Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Nice to see you people. Hello, welcome. Good evening everybody. Hi there. Today is 17th guys. 17th of May 2020, and this is an amazing journey. Today is our 21st day. Yes, Arohi is our 21st day. Hello Arohi. Hey Sank. Hey Supriya. Hey Akshay. Nice. Hi Akshay. Hey Pooja. Hey Mehgul. Good evening to one and all present here, guys. That has been 21 days, okay? And you need to understand there was like last, okay, there was a book basically which says if you continue, then it is the starting of a becoming a very big habit in your life, okay? But it differs from person to person, and I think it is a way to go ahead. Okay, what Pooja is saying, 21 days in a row makes habit. The monk who sold his Ferrari, Robin Sharma. Yes. So guys, this Pooja is mentioning, I was of 21 days, then it becomes your habit. But there is something further to add to it, and you know what that is? It completely differs from person to person. Okay, so even though you would have accepted that as a thing, okay, doing it regularly, but let me tell you, there is the another side of it as well. It depends like how tightly your subconscious brain is actually wired, because what we are doing basically, we are forgetting the old beliefs and taking new beliefs. So if your old beliefs are very strong, which is like very ingrained in wired, then it will take more time to get out of that. So there is nothing wrong if we are still feeling a bit tough and tight, but I think the life is changing, guys. So many people have reached out to me in person, and they are dropping messages that the way they think is changing, the way they are looking at life opportunities, it's changing. Now they have started feeling positive about themselves, trying to avoid any kind of a negative thoughts. Like they are not now thinking, many of the people, guys, right here in this group, they are like, no matter what happens in a life situation, it is just a situation. They are not blaming themselves. They have started to remove excuses from the life. And after seeing that, I am so blessed to know that your lives are changing. This is truly incredible, and I've found that this has started adding a lot of value to the life. Okay, fine, this is an achievement in itself, guys. Completing 21 days of consistency, we have utilized this lockdown in the best possible manner that we could have. And I have been telling you guys, like this duration which we are spending, you are writing your history. In 30 years from now, guys, you would be looking back at this time and saying, this is where magic happened, this is where I changed my life, and that's where the thing started, guys. And that has really been a great journey so far, and we have still a long way to go, guys. Okay, long way to still go. The time right now is 10:03 p.m. Okay, and now, guys, important, so far we were very okay. It was a step by step plan to reach here. We upgraded the thinking patterns, we understood why things work the way things are, and then we understood why many of the world people are not able to do it, because just understanding it doesn't bring the results, guys. We have to keep applying it, we have to do it repeated manner, attach emotions. We defined a lot of strategies, guys, but all this was a kind of a preparation required for what we will be doing from tomorrow onwards. Okay, everything which we did, this 21 days which we completed, guys, this was not the target, let me tell you. It would have changed thoughts, it would have changed your beliefs. It was required, and intention was to change the beliefs, and that was the base prerequisite for what we are going to do from tomorrow onwards. And you need to understand, the actual aim of life transformation starts tomorrow. What we did so far, that was just the prerequisite, because without this, you know, guys, there are 14 people right now in this group. There are some of the people from my season 1 as well, but many, I think there are like a lot of people as part of season 2, the new beginners which want to become more serious about life, guys. I want to tell you people, whatever we spent so far, that was just the foundation required so that your tomorrow becomes possible. And let me tell you, had I directly invited all the 14 people, just ask a question to yourself, guys. Have I told the 16 people right now in this group, have I directly told you people, like, okay, let's meet up 6:30 in the morning? What would your reaction would have been? 90% people, even though they know that it is going to be useful, 90% people will not be turning up. and the remaining 10% people who will turn up on the day one, next day they will again start dropping. And that's the reason, even though people know that it is required, even though people know that it will give you success, we are not able to do that. And that's the problem in the current society, which I'm trying to solve, guys. And now let me tell you, now I'm very much confident. Like the past 21 days, what we have spent together, we have upgraded this way of looking at the society. We have started believing more in ourselves, more understanding our reality. Our mindset is now taking on things in a way rock solid manner, and we have become, now when we say I want to become successful, these are not just words. This is your reality. This is you writing your future, and this is you telling that when I say, I mean it. And that's what we have achieved in this 21 days, guys. And I know that whatever are the people consistent today, and I'm 100% sure that almost 99% of the people will show up tomorrow morning as well. And this is what is my belief about your situation, because you have started seeing your life in a different manner, not giving excuses, not giving complaints. And this is what is the reality of life. And let me tell you guys, tomorrow's day, which is nothing but 18th of May 2020, is going to be the most important day of your life. And I'm not just saying for the sake of saying it, guys. Tomorrow is going to be the most important day. No matter how many exams you might have attended in the past, no matter how many jobs you will be getting in the future, no matter how many companies you would be owning, or how big of a business you would be starting, or how great of a CEO you will become in life, guys, all those feelings, all those achievements will be less in comparison to the value of tomorrow, if you truly understand the value, guys. And I'm telling you that you will say that it was the day 18th May 2020 when my life changed, because your life is never going to be the same after tomorrow onwards. The way you live your life will completely be changing from tomorrow onwards for the next coming entire of your life, guys. So this is the power of tomorrow. The tomorrow is the life changing day. Maybe your beliefs, your lifestyle which you have lived so far was different, but that does not matter. That was your past. But new beginning, the way you live your mornings will change, the way you look at opportunities in the morning will change, the way you attack life is going to change. And that change is not temporary. That change is not just one day, guys. That is the change where we promise to ourselves that this particular habit I will be doing throughout my life, and that is why I say that this is the most important day of your life. It is not a one-time event. It is not a Tosef Sheikh which came as part of life transformation for 21 days, 42 days. It is not that kind of a program. It is a program which once started is never going to leave you throughout your life, and you will be able to get the maximum benefit out of this program. And let me give that to you in writing. When 30 years back you look back, and if people, like, you will become grandly successful in life, and there would be people, media, they would come to you and ask you question, how did you become so successful? I'm talking about your future, guys, 30 years from now, when all of the world wants to know your secret. And you know what? You will say, there was a day in my life, 18th May, when I owned my life, and from that day onwards I never looked back. I was just heading in one direction, and that was success, growth, responsibility, ownership. That was the direction. And tomorrow is that day, guys. Okay? And now, let's get back. Let's get back. Few very important things. You might not have performed these activities so far in your life. You might not have done it. But the past does not matter. It does not matter like how painful it would have been, how irregular it would have been, how inconsistent it would have been. The past is gone. When you sleep today, your past is completely gone. Just have the past 21 days of your mind. Just have that mindset. Other than that, whatever beliefs you have about yourself, forget about everything. We have a bright morning tomorrow, and there is just one intention in that, that we would be waking up, owning our life, and doing great things which the world might not have seen of you so far. There is a bigger potential in each one of us, and tomorrow is realizing and waking up to that potential. The past doesn't matter. Don't doubt yourself whether you'll be able to do it or not. Tomorrow, when you rise, when you open your eyes, it's for the bright future ahead in your life, guys. And let me tell you what I'm saying, I really mean it. This is going to be the most beautiful and the most important day of your life. And now you need to understand one thing, guys. One very important, serious thing. You will be setting alarm today. You would be strongly saying that I will be waking up tomorrow morning at so and so time. We'll get more particular about the timetable of what routine we would be having. So today when you sleep, you will have these beliefs. You would set the alarm. You might have done this thing in the past many a times. Maybe that triggered only for a couple of days and then gone. But now, guys, today set it to your mindset that tomorrow I want to wake up because it is the most important day of your life. You will, and there would be now some set of people who will be like waking up in the first alarm. There would be some set of people who will be opening their eyes before the alarm rings. Before the alarm rings. That's the excitement, that's the passion which you would ingrain in yourself. Starting tomorrow, there would be some set of people who will set up alarm today that tomorrow morning I will be waking up, but they would actually wake up before the alarm rings. That's ownership of your life, and tomorrow is that day. There would be some set of people who will be waiting for the first rings. Your eyes open to this bright future. That is the day tomorrow. And let me tell you guys, in front of group of people whoever are available right now, there would even be some people who would still want to snooze. That's the reality of life, and I want to show it to you transparent, clear cut. There would be still some people who would like to snooze, who would still be like, give me 5 more minutes. And now I want to talk to those people. That is your subconscious mind trapping you towards your misery, towards your worst future. Despite the past 21 days, what we have done together, let me tell you, this kind of a kind of a group that we have created for binding ourselves. You never know when this situation is going to happen again in your life. Let me tell you, this is a very honest opinion. You never know when this life situation will come again in your life, where somebody, a group of people have owned to become successful, has owned to become the most powerful version of yourself. The world might just say and go, they might do business and go, they might give you books and go, but they will go. We have stayed, we are together, and I don't know when this 21 days would ever appear in your life again. You need to understand that. And even after putting that massive of efforts for 21 days, even if you feel like snoozing tomorrow, let me tell you, your life is in a pretty tough situation. Because if this cannot change your life, I don't know what will. And know it that there would be these kind of people as well. But now, maybe your subconscious mind is more stronger with the negative beliefs about the past. That is where you are doing it. I know that consciously all the 100% people wants to wake up. That's the conscious choice, but you need to understand the drama of your subconscious mind. Even if you are there, it would be like, hey, can you sleep for 5 more minutes? Let's snooze it. What is going to happen? Guys, the life is dying down by this thought. What is going to happen? You are not becoming successful by this thought. What is going to happen? You are not rising up towards your potential. You are not living a happy life for this statement. What is going to happen? You need to open your eyes. You are trapping yourself. Your past is crippling your present, and I want to tell you people, it's the time you break all these bonds. That's is the most important day of your life. And those people who still prefer to sleep tomorrow morning, for you the future is going to be very much challenging. And we spoke about our life transformations. You are your worst enemy. You are limited by your own thoughts. The world might fight you and you might fight them back and you might win, But what will you do when you fight yourself? How will you win, guys? And that is possible only with the strong, committed, conscious part of your brain. And tomorrow is the day when you see how much you are in your control. Your subconscious might be tough, it might be bothering you, but you decide no more. This is not going to happen. I am not going to be the slave of my painful past. I will not be the slave of my crippled subconscious thinking, which is there right now. Tomorrow, I own my life. I give my best shot regardless of what it takes. I am burning. I'm ready to burn myself down, but I will wake up. That's the commitment with which you sleep today and with which you wake up tomorrow. That's a promise to yourself that I am bigger than my past, no matter what that past has been. Failed, troubled, doesn't matter, but you have today, and tomorrow is that day when you have to prove it to yourself. Very important day, guys. Understand this fact. Now, let me move on to the second one. What are we going to do tomorrow morning when we wake? And what is the timing pattern? Now, I am telling, as part of the week 3 of our journey, we decided, guys, this is not time pass happening, guys. Let me tell you, this is life changing stuff happening right now. Your life, your beliefs about yourself, the way you look at life is going to completely change, and this is what we are doing. Okay, and that's where, as part of week 3, we said the goal of these life transformation is to change your life so that you achieve all the success which you deserve by knowing your true potential. I'm not giving anything from outside. I am trying to tap the capability which is already there inside you, which every human being has, but it is uncovered for most part of the life. I'm trying to touch that heart of you guys. You have that potential. We are just opening up. I'm just a helper trying to open your door of potential in front of you people, and you need to understand that. Now, as part of that, we said we described a kind of a process as part of our week 3, which was the strategy for goal achievement. I know that even though I have told you people, there is a doubt, guys, how many of us are very dedicatedly following it on a daily basis and really applying it in their lives. And I don't want to people to give excuses. I don't want you guys to come and say the Tosef did the first life transformation 21 days very nicely, very effectively. We had results, but he just told us to do this morning routine. And I have been telling you people, wake up 15 minutes early, perform this visualization emotions part, but I am not really sure how many of us are doing it. And even if we are doing it, are we really following the life patterns? But guys, time of excuses is gone, and this is what I have learned from life, that we should be together. We will transform, and tomorrow is that day where I will be available with you people, and this group of whoever available right now will again tomorrow to own our lives, and we all will be together again in the new beginning of the magical morning routine, where we will be connecting at 6:30 sharp. We will be connecting at 6:30 sharp for half an hour. 6:30 we will be performing the right ways, the right practices of goal achievement. Whatever process we defined, tomorrow onwards, I'm saying tomorrow onwards, you need to understand, guys, knowledge is potential power these days. Our 80% of the world fails even after knowing everything. What we are doing as part of life transformation, which you should understand, is repetition, making these beliefs as your regular way of working, as your default way of working. And that's the reason many people who have been irregular in life, maybe they attended 5 or 10, they understood some things, they found the value, but again they were so busy in their life that they didn't want it to continue. Guys, let me tell, their life is not going to change. They will still belong in the 80% of the world who might have the knowledge but didn't have the guts, the courage to implement it. That's where they will fail, guys. Now, what more we can do to such people? I am thankful that you opened your eyes, and that is where this life transformation was, to make you guys serious, and only serious people make it to the day 21 of this life transformation. And I know all you people are. And tomorrow is a new beginning where we will be now doing the next level practices of connecting up on time at 6:30 and performing the right practices of goal achievement. The strategy which we spoke, we will live with it. I will define it. I will walk you through it. And guys, what I am applying, it's something which I have been applying for a lot of part of my life, and I've seen it work miracles. And this is not something which I have derived, guys. Okay, I'm being very honest. This is not my innovation or my invention of life. I have read it from people, I have watched it from successful people, and on an average, all these people apply it and they get the results. So I understood it, implemented it, saw the results, and now telling it to you people. So I am just a mediator of success in your life, guys, nothing else. I am just composing whatever I know, whatever I understand to you people, so that we do it together in the right way, and then apply it onwards from tomorrow onwards every single day for the next coming 21 days, and that is going to be life transformational. No more talks, it's about execution from tomorrow onwards, guys. Fine, this is what we said. 6:30 we will connect live. Okay, tomorrow we will be connecting up as part of this regular routine itself, but I will be launching it as part of my page which I have created. Okay, Tosif Success, that's the name. From Tuesday onwards we'll connect for that, and I will be publishing the link as part of the description. Tomorrow I'll give that link, but let's not change. Okay, tomorrow let's be connecting. Let technology not be a barrier for us to not show up. We are very easy to find excuses and give excuses, right? Let's not do that tomorrow. Let's not do that, guys, please. Don't give excuse, because your future will come and then say, excuse me, I'm not available. The successful future is just going to say, excuse me, you didn't put the efforts, I am not possible for you. Only when you apply your present in the right way, miracles will happen in your future, and you need to understand that. Fine, said and done. Now what is the next thing, guys? Just showing up at 6:30 is step 1, but just showing up is not going to change your life. You need to understand every step that I'm saying. If you are sleeping till 6:25 a.m. tomorrow, and then like in a rush just trying to show up for the sake of showing up, that is not going to change you. That is never going to change you, guys. You need to be serious about the process which you follow for goal achievement. And goal achievement is not a joke. Becoming your best version is not a joke. Becoming and attracting all the success of life is not a joke. And understand that, please. 5 minutes before opening the eyes, showing up at 6:30 is not going to change your life. You might do it for the next forever, and you might not find any changes in your pattern. That's where I want to show you the right way of doing that, guys. And you know what is the right way? Let me tell you the right way. Tomorrow morning, we don't wake up. We don't wake up at 6:30 or 6:25. Tomorrow morning, everybody, we wake up at 6 a.m. 6:00 a.m. That's what you set your alarm to. If there are people who wakes up earlier than that, good for them. But all the people who would have not done, let me tell you, you might be saying, not a morning person, I'm a 10 a.m. person, I'm a 8 a.m. person. That's bullshit. That's why your life is like that right now. No more complaining. If you want to live the same life which you have been living, then wake up at the same time that you have been doing. If you want to have a brighter life, you need to have a brighter start for the day, and wake up for that sake at least. No more excuses, no more complaints, no more shitting stuff, guys. It's serious high time. Tomorrow is a changed day, and accept that if you want to grow great. If you are not doing it, let me tell you, you will not become great, you will not become successful. All the talks what we did will not apply on you, because you are not ready to change. Your subconscious mind is still in your control. Miserable. And that's the brutal honest truth you take it with a grain of salt. But when you're on your deathbed in 50, 60 years from now, you are nobody else. Nobody else. You can give excuses, complaints. I was working late nights, I had family problems, I had relationship problems, I had this, that. Let me tell you, you are supposed to be blamed for the life which you have lived, because you were not dedicated enough to wake up when there was time. You were not dedicated enough to ownership of your life when there was time. It's your choice whether to become successful or failure, and tomorrow your choice is going to be converted into action. So no more excuses. When you say 6 a.m., 6 a.m. is the time when you wake up. And how do you do that? Today night, the strategy for that: today night, before sleeping, 5 minutes, tell it so strongly to yourself: my past is done. Today I take the ownership, and tomorrow this is me taking responsibility of my life, and I will wake up at 6 a.m. Give a command to your mind. I was watching through one of our interview, Navjot Singh Sidhu. Okay, he said this thing like, you are in your control. People apply these techniques. He said you give an instruction to your brain like, I want to wake up tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. that strongly, and you would not even need an alarm for doing that. He said that he practiced it and he saw results. And I'm telling you, people, commitment today when you sleep, that I will wake up tomorrow morning 6 a.m. and change my destiny. That's the step number one. Strong commitment. Step number two, set up the alarm. That's the backup plan, because we don't want to have excuses. That didn't happen, blah blah blah. Excuses are crap. It will always be there. There would always be 99% excuses for not doing things. If you keep excusing, you would belong into the 80% category again. Now we want to belong in the top 20% cream. Second step, you set up the alarm. Some of you will wake up before the alarm. I know that. I want to see such people who tomorrow they comment like, I woke up before my alarm did. And you know what, guys? When you want to go out for a travel or a vacation, right? Your flight might be, or your travel might be like morning 3 a.m.s, 2 a.m.s, but you don't sleep that day. Maybe you sleep at 12 and just wake up at 1 because you don't want to miss it. That's the determination when a human brain wants to do something. And tomorrow is the most important day. Are you going to still feel lazy tomorrow? That's the question you need to ask. Let's get back. So tomorrow morning when the alarm rings at 5, at 6 sharp, first beep, open your eyes, apply 5-second rule. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and before the countdown happens, just stand up. Just wake up. No more lying, no more excuses. Just standing. As soon as the first alarm rings, within 5 seconds, apply this rule, guys. Because if you give this buffer more than 5, your subconscious mind will dominate. And I'm telling you, consciously you wants to improve, but there is a strategy for that, because there is a worst thing inside you right now, your bad painful past subconscious mind, which we need to change, and that's what we are doing. So understand, it will try to cripple you. Apply the 5-second rule. The first blink which happens, awake, stand up. That's it. That's the stage number one for tomorrow, and I want everybody to apply that. No more excuses, guys. All the people who are serious, and by today, as part of the end, give a comment like, I will do it. Okay, even if possible right now in the comment, like, I will be doing it tomorrow. I want to see, and I want to ask all the people who commented today, I want to ask you guys tomorrow, did you really show up or not? So if you're committed, comment it there. We will track, we will become responsible and accountable for not showing up. That's what it works. So that's the stage three, when we would be doing the first thing in the morning, waking up at 5 a.m. Okay, fine. Sorry, waking up at 6 a.m. Done. Now the next stage, what you would do when you wake up at 6. Now let me tell you guys, okay, there is a brilliant way to apply your morning routines. The very successful people of the world apply all of these routines, and that is where they become successful. Yes, guys, keep pumping it. I know you will do it, and we are going to do it together. Okay, everybody in the house, whoever are going to show up tomorrow, just promise and commit it right now. It's ownership time. Okay, fine. Now the second.